Right then, 2 weeks to go to the Stalking Show. I've got my knives pretty much done now. I spent a week doing a bit of cerakoting, so all my blades got cerakoted. I've done some little fancy ones that are going to be in pairs and some individual one as well. I've got 5 knives that have got handles on that need shaping that will be done this weekend. They'll be very close. Hopefully I'll have them done by the end of the video. But I'm going to be finishing off the last bit of planned leatherwork that I've got done. Well, basically, my knife sheaths I'll be doing sort of like as the week goes on. Luckily, I went down to a friend of mine that's got a clicker press, and I've got some cutters that are done. So I've got some sheaths already cut out. So basically, the sheaths are in that sort of pattern. So I've got the shape on them. I've got to put my stitching holes on them, logos on, all that sort of stuff. So I'll be working on those steadily, doing a few each day. Stitching them all up, like I say, I hand stitch all those. But my last bit of planned leather work is my bullet pouches. Yeah. So basically, I've got 6 that are left to do. They're all in pieces, so fronts, middle, back piece, and belt loops, and also the loops to go around each round. So these are for 223 size cases, 223, 222s, that sort of 204s, that sort of stuff. I've actually got these ones which are also the same sort of calibre, but these are for those plastic inserts. So it goes in front, folds over. I still need to do the stitching all the way around the edges of them, trim them all up, and then stick the logo button on the front, but that also holds this magnet on, so basically holds it all in place. But I'm going to show you how I put these together very quickly. Well, I would say it's not quickly for me, but it'll be quickly for you. I will speed it all up through. But you'll see what I've got, and then hopefully I'll have something to be able to show you by the end. Right, let's crack on with them. Right, before I go any further, I just want to say that I have now got my location for the Stalking Show. I think it is BA04, whatever. I'll put it on the screen just to make sure I am. I'll also put a bit of a map there as well, so you'll be able to find out where I am. Anybody that went last year and saw us last year, I'm going to be in basically the same spot. So I'm quite happy about that. It wasn't a bad little spot to be in. But anyway, so pouches are all done. This is the one with the loops in for sort of like 223 size. All the other ones I managed to get all sorted as well. At the moment, I've got them in my warming cabinet because I've waxed them all. Basically, I think the bits that I wasn't able to catch on camera because my battery went flat was burnishing the... that was it. Just trimming the edges off. Then I dyed them. I can't remember if I... Oh, yeah, I got a little bit of burnishing, so I then burnished the edges on them. It was a case of sorting out the magnet covers, get all those done. I engraved them, laser engraved them. I think the battery went flat on me there again. And then waxed them all up. So last job was waxing them all up, bagging them in cabinet. That's now got all my bullet pouches sorted. I've got a whole selection, so generally, size selection I've got are sort of like your short calibers, small calibers 223, shorts like 308, 6.5, that sort of size, and then sort of like your 300 Win Mag and 270 size as well. I've also made some a little bit longer for the 375s. Don't know where my camera will go in there. Must have had something behind me. Anyway, 375s, Holland and Hollands, I've got that sort of size, and I've also got the 416 Rigby size, which is a lot bigger than pouch than what that is. But I'll show some photos of that next week when I start getting everything out. Sheaths. I've got all my sheaths to start sorting out. So some of them are glued together, some of them are stitched, some of them need sanding on the edges. These ones are glued, but I'm just waiting for the contact adhesive to dry off a bit, and then they'll probably putting them together. Basically, this week is going to be sorting sheaths out and sharpening knives up, because I've got a whole load that needs sharpening up. I've got my kydex to sort out for my naked blades as well. And those knives that I've been working on, which are the cerakoted ones, I've basically got them into a position where I've sort of like roughed out the profile or cleaned up the profile, one or other. And our next job is to do, basically, that's what they look like there. I'll put a bit of a closer shot up. These ones are going to have the sort of like the Coke bottle. I don't just knock the corners off it. It gives it a bit of an hourglass sort of like Coke bottle shape. Then I'll start rounding the edges off, get it onto the sanders and start sorting it all out. But hopefully these ones will be all done tomorrow, apart from sort of like oiling up and waxing. But yeah, so everything's coming together very nicely. What I'm going to do... Come on, camera, where are you going now? We're sorted? Good. Yeah, next week I'll show you exactly what I'm going to be taking to the Stalking Show. As long as somebody don't come along and buy it in between time. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget, have a look at the map of where I am, and we'll see you at the Stalking Show.